have a fruit box. Yes, it's true. I have a fruit box to open. What? Live Love Posh sent me the Posh Box Fruits and Florals. If you know me, you know I love fruit in my planner, and this appeals to me so much. The black with all of the bright colors. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jessica from Live Love Posh. I will link this in the description box. As of the time of this filming, it is still available. Affiliate codes do not apply to the box. So if you use my code Bumble10, it won't apply to the box, but it will apply to anything else that you purchase at the same time. Just so you are aware of that, but I will put my affiliate link in the description. So that helps me out a great deal. Let's check out what's inside of here. Oh, and by the way, I know there's been a lot of flip throughs and hauls and sponsored stuff lately. Sometimes it just all seems to come at once. That's just the way it goes. It all comes in waves, and then I have all this sponsored stuff to do. So if that annoys you, I'm sorry, but I think most of you like to see really cool products, right? And this looks really cool. So let's open up and see what's inside. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that was really loud. Thank you. Thank you so much for shopping with me. Look at this. Even the thank you note is so cute. Oh my goodness. It tells you what's inside. So let's begin and check it out. It's like a little present. Always so exciting. Let's take a sneaky peek. Oh my goodness. All right, let's take things one at a time. I love fruit. Actually, I love vegetables more when I'm eating it, but love, love, love fruit. Let's look at the pen first. I love having these pens, especially because they look great in my planner photos. They're like little props, and I keep them all together in a little acrylic storage drawer thing, and they all look so pretty, all the different companies. But Jessica from Live Love Posh, she has like the best ones, I feel like. They're really heavy. They're very high quality. So this one's pink. It says Live Love Posh. We have gold on there. And the little pink gems. What's right with it? Wait, I need some paper. You'd think I have paper right here. I'm a planner. Okay. This is a black ink pen. It feels like I guess it's a gel pen. I don't know exactly. That's what it looks like with the writing. It writes really smoothly. I like it a lot. Okay, next up. What are these? Posh clips. Fruity Posh clips. Aw, let's look at them. They're lemons. These are so cute. They are lemons. Again, super cute for props and just to bookmark pages in your planner. It's so fun to have decorative clips. I love these. I also keep these in a little acrylic drawer. You'll see that in my room tour video. If I ever get to it, it's coming, I swear. It just, work, you guys, a lot of work. We have a really cute Posh pin. Live Love Posh pin. It's a lemon. So pretty. Oh, and by the way, there's 10 gold clips in here. Sometimes when I do these flip throughs, I'm so excited that I tell you what things are, and then I look at these cards and it says something completely different, and then I feel so dumb. Oh, geez. That's when people comment, it's not that, Mary Ellen. I'm like, oh boy. I guess I should read first before I start. But I like to do blind unboxings so that you see my enthusiasm as I see it for the first time. That's why. And no excuses. Look at this cute little lemon sticky notepad. Oh my goodness. Pop a lemon down. You know what I'm going to do with these, don't you? Maybe you don't, or maybe you do. Sticky notes can be stickers in your planner. I'm going to make a really cool spread with these. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like having them on my desk to write things down, but I also just love having these to make spreads with. And then all you have to do is take a little bit of glue and pop down the other part, and it looks like a sticker. So you get 24 of these. So pretty. We have some washi tape. Oh, yay. Look at this. These are so cute, you guys. You know I love grid washi, right? These ones are 10 millimeters. This one is 5 millimeters. Look how cute these are. Look how cute. I'm not going to swatch them because they're obviously just this, but they are so fun. I'm so excited to have some grid washi tape in bright colors. Okay, what is this? Oh my goodness. So this is a jumbo pens pouch with chenille patch letters that says pens. How cute is this and how trendy? Look at this. It has a gold zipper. Let's put my pen in it. Ooh, let's put all the stuff in it because that's how I roll. Let's do it. Stick it all in there, and it's clear so you can see everything. That's the cutest thing, Jessica. I love that. How fun is that? And it goes with the fruit theme because it's like bright and colorful. So fun. Okay. Sorry, I got very excited about that. And now on to my favorite part of boxes, and that is the stickers. We know it. You know it and I know it, and you probably feel the exact same way. So let's take a look at this bad boy. Fruits and Florals. Love this cover. Love it so much. Apples. Apples and pink flowers. These are so pretty. These are on paper. Oh my goodness. I feel like her sticker books keep getting better and better. Look at these. Ooh, so the first page is on paper and the second one is on clear. Is that going to be like for the whole book? Maybe not. These are both clear. I don't know. We'll see. But that's cool. So you get both options. Look at these. These are so fun. Bright and colorful. You know I love that. Oh, this is my dream sticker book. And look at these like paint splotches behind those fruits there. So cute. You get two of those. Those are on clear. And then here is a page on paper. The next one's on clear, just so you know. It's the same thing. But we have lemons and pink flowers. We have some shoes, some watermelons, bathing suits, all that kind of stuff. I think this is so cute. You've got corner flowers here with lemons, and then you have one like this that's not a corner, which I like because like if this one is on the corner, this one can match it, but it doesn't have to be too symmetrical. It doesn't have to be matchy-matchy, right? I should have done a plan with me with this book. I will though, very soon, maybe next week. Don't hold me to it. So this is on clear, like I said, same thing. Then we have oranges. We have oranges. Wow, that almost looks like an Aperol Spritz. Do you guys drink those? I drank those in Italy and I've been obsessed with them ever since. I love Aperol Spritzes. Let me know in the comments if you like them too. I love oranges in general. And these deep greens with it, so pretty. And the browns. We have fashion magazines, some perfume. So cute. So that one was paper. This one is clear. And then we have a page of oranges and white flowers. White flowers. Wow. So cute. This is paper and clear. So I think most of them are going to be like that. Also, let me know in the comments, do you like paper stickers or clear ones better? For me, I think it's equal. It honestly just depends on what I'm doing and how bright I want it to be, because usually the clear ones are brighter, you know, and just a slightly different feel when they're on the page. But sometimes I need the paper to go over stuff, and sometimes I need the clear because I want it to pop on the page, right? So I like having the option of both here. And I love these lemons. Now we have grapefruits, which is another favorite fruit of mine. I love it in seltzer. Don't necessarily love to eat grapefruits on their own. I used to put sugar on them, but I haven't had that in a while. But I do love grapefruit stickers. Wait, this one's clear and this one's clear. So you never know what you're gonna get, but this one's paper. Look at these. There's also limes in here, I guess, and oranges. Yeah, and then these cute little boxes with all of the fruits surrounding them. And then this is a kind of reminds me of another sticker book. I think it was the Wanderlust sticker book that Live Love Posh had, because this pattern was kind of in there. But look at these leaves, you guys. Are you kidding me? They're so cute. And we have a bird and another bird. This is so cute. Oh, wow. This is really cute. So these are both unclear. And then this one's going to coordinate. We have like little bowls with flowers and lemons. And look at these borders. What? This is like a corner border. That's so fun. Look, that's so fun. Look at these ones with the curly cues. I can't. Oh my goodness. That's paper and this is paper. Jessica, I love these. Peaches. This is on paper. These are so pretty. This is on clear. My daughter Kaylee loves peaches. I mean, she loves peach flavored things. She doesn't love to eat peaches. She likes nectarines because the fuzz creeps her out. I actually like peaches better. And then we go from like that kind of vibe, right, into this kind of vibe. How freaking fun. Just bright colors and very whimsical, kind of abstract looking fruit and popsicles and flowers. So bright and colorful. And this is on clear, which I like because these are going to pop on your page. They are going to, I cannot wait to use these. I can't wait. Look at those limes. Those are so fun. And then these are on paper to coordinate with it. We have watermelons and pineapples. These are really pretty. So these have the paper, these have the paper in the middle, so they are a box. It's not like by itself. Those are so fun. Oh my goodness, limes. I'm sorry if I'm being very enthusiastic, but this is my favorite sticker book Live Love Posh has ever sent to me. So we have paper limes and we have clear limes. You guys, lime varieties, what can I say? Oh, these are cute. Look at these. These are so cute. Bright and colorful. This is on paper and this is on clear. I am so excited. Ooh, and then we're back to realistic ones. And we have blueberries and strawberries and raspberries and blackberries, I guess. I guess that's blackberries. All the berries. How cute are these? I love these. Paper and clear. These would be great for a 4th of July spread, don't you think? I think I'm going to write myself a note so that next year when I do a 4th of July spread, I'm going to do a fruit one. Yeah, that would be so fun. Anyway, love, 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 love this. Love this. And I love all this stuff too. So thank you so much to Live Love Posh for sending me this beautiful box. I appreciate that so much, and I will link it for you guys below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Let me know what your favorite page was in this fruit planner. Wait, not planner, fruit sticker book. Look real quick. Decide which one's your favorite. Name it yourself, because I don't know what to call them. So fun. So fun. All right, see ya.